Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna swap out my GPS navigation screen, swap it out for this one, the Cubby storage one. Yeah. So my GPS, the screen works, but the motor's broken, and I don't really use the GPS because the GPS don't even work. I mean, the GPS does turn on, just that these buttons, they're messed up. They're like sticky. And if I'm right, I think the CD is messed up, like the navigation CD in the back is messed up because it won't read it. Because I know this turned on, but I don't really need it. I don't really use it, so I'm just going to swap it out for the Cubby one. Then later on, I'm going to switch everything out, take this off, put a cup holder one, and take off the navigation stuff in the back. So I'm going to swap this out. If you guys never take this off, it's pretty simple and pretty easy. There's a... what is that thing? Let's see. Try to get it. Camera angles, I can see. There's a tab right here, or there's like a, I don't know what it's called, but something right here where you can fit a flathead in here and it's gonna pop off. So pretty much, flathead go right there, and it slides it out. Take that off. Yeah, the thing is broken. It don't even hold up that much no more. Sometimes it does want to stay up, sometimes it don't. But there's 2 screws that's right there. That's all you gotta take off. Just take off those 2 screws and basically just pop off. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so after you take off the 2 screws, it's basically just those 2 screws, and there's 2 tabs in the back right here that's holding in place. You just lift up and pull it hard and it's gonna pop off. But since mine have a GPS, so there's a plug that's back there. If yours don't have a GPS, it's just gonna pop off real easily. But this one have a GPS, so I gotta pull off the plug. And I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, so I just took off the, basically there's those 2 tabs right there that's holding it, that's plugging right here. Plugging right there. Then there's a ground wire. Let's see if I can get a closer look. Alright, so there's a ground wire. And these 2 tabs, they're plugged in. And basically, pull those 2 out, it's just those 2 tabs. And the ground is right there where that screw is at, right there. The screw's in right there where that ground. So you would have to take that off and take off this nut. That'll hold it in place. And I don't need to plug this in because mine don't really have any plug. Because mine's just a storage cubby. So it's just gonna be those 2 screws, that's it, and pretty much done for the install for this one. Alright guys, so pretty much got the new storage cubby installed on the dash. Pretty straightforward and pretty quick to do. So if you guys wanna install it, pretty simple. Just that this part right here, this storage cubby is real hard to find, and people who do sell it, they charge it pretty high. And yeah, other than that, I love this because I get to store stuff in there. Put my phone in there, or was it wallet in there? Put my glass cleaner in there, and yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, the storage space not big, but it comes in handy. Yeah, pretty much it for today's video and the update I did on my car. Next, I also got some. Let me show you. Just got me some LS400 big caliper kits. Got it for a good deal with some rotors and brake pads. So it was a pretty good deal, $200 for a set. So this is gonna be my newest thing for my car. So what I'm gonna do is I wanna, let's see, get the focus. I wanna repaint it. I wanna get it anodized blue. So I'm gonna sand it and repaint it. It's already painted. It's good to go. I can just install it, but I want to repaint it for a blue color. And that's pretty much it for what's new for the car. Just gotta finish it.